Look, kids, it is time for backyard camping.
Are we sleeping outside tonight? In a tent?
Yes. First, we need to build the tent. Can you help me?
I have the sleeping bags. They are soft and warm.
This is the floor of our tent. Let's put it under the big tree.
This pole is very long. Where does it go, Dad?
Slide it through the small holes. Push, push, push. Got it.
I am pulling. The tent is going up. Wow! It looks like a little house.
It is very big inside. Let's put the sleeping bags here.
My teddy bear wants to camp too. He likes the tent. Click. I have a flashlight. It is very bright.
These lights will shine like stars at night.
Do you want to be explorers? Let's look at the grass.
Yeah, that sounds like fun. Look! I see a small green grasshopper. It is jumping. I see a pretty flower. It smells very sweet.
Look at the clouds. That one looks like a big elephant.
And that one looks like a dinosaur. Roar!
Time for a snack. Explorers need food.
I am sitting on a log. It feels bumpy.
Who wants a tuna sandwich? Thank you, Mom. I am very hungry.
And for dessert, we have marshmallows.
They are white and fluffy, like little clouds.
Spin it slowly. Now it is perfect.
1 red cup for Lily. Yay! And 1 blue cup for Ben. Thank you, Mary. Here you go, Birdie. Eat your dinner.
Once upon a time, there was a brave little squirrel.
Everything looks different at night. Look at the shadows. My hand looks like a giant bird.
The moon is full and bright tonight. Can you see the stars?
1, 2, 3. There are so many.
It is getting chilly. Let's put on our jackets.
Zip. Now I am warm. I am warm too. My hat is fuzzy.
Nature makes beautiful music. Listen to the crickets.
What owl? The sleeping bag is very cozy. It really is.
Sleep well, little campers. We are right here.
Click. Good night, everyone.
Backyard camping is the best. See you next time. Bye-bye.